Hey everyone, it's Vince here. On today's video, I'm going to talk to you about some money making methods and just making money online in general. This is a new format I'm trying out on the channel, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please hit like if you want to see more of this style. First up, I'm talking about Temu. Now, if you've never heard of Temu before, essentially it's an online shopping platform with very, very low prices. I like to compare this to like Wish or something along those lines. As you can see, the prices are so low, guys, and there are many, many discounts. Now, I've recently actually purchased some items from this. I'm waiting to see if they actually arrive or not because I'm making a review on Temu if you didn't know. But the reason why it's on today's video is because it has a whole bunch of referral bonuses. The only thing is they actually are quite difficult. You can see here in the middle of the screen it has the earn credits and free gifts area. And no, your eyes are not deceiving you here. Temu is promising hundreds of dollars worth of gifts. The only thing is, you have to play their little mini games they have. Let me just show you an example here of what's going on. Let's say I want to win this $100. This is what it looks like when you actually try to achieve that goal. You can see here, we can choose a whole bunch of the free items, right, from the list. And mind you, there's like hundreds, if not thousands of items to go through. And apparently I just got a special surprise. And now supposedly I just got free shipping on all free gifts. So yeah, just remember, this is all technically free, Temu's saying. But here's what happens when you try and claim it, guys. Essentially, you need to refer people to use Temu. So for me to get this item worth $120 for free, I need to refer people, essentially. Now apparently it's come up with $50 worth of Temu credit. If I tap on confirm the gift now, it's asking me to now get a bonus gift. Let's just say I want these wireless earphones. I then simply claim the gift. Now it's asking me to flip a card, and apparently it's cut the price by $51. Now it's asking me to share the Temu application for $2 off, and now I have to invite a friend to cut a further $3. Now all these bonuses actually expire, so it really does kind of put urgency on it. The one I'm trying to do is the $100 gift card giveaway. You essentially have to spin this little prize area here, but you need 100 tickets to do so, and I have 98. But now I have to invite people for more tickets. So pretty much I'm stuck here until someone joins my referral link on Temu. And the biggest problem is it seems to be very country specific, so it seems that hardly any countries can actually use it right now. Because at the moment, I can't do any of these, and that means you guys, if you're like me, that don't really know people that would use Temu, are kind of stuffed as well. So that's the situation I'm dealing with Temu. Although I do have an order coming, by the way, which I am testing out. But you'll find out that outcome on my video on Temu. Next, I want to talk to you about Boints. If you guys don't know what Boints is by now, essentially it's the money-making application that pays you to play games, and let me just tell you something about my experience lately on Boints. This is currently what Boints looks like. You can see it has a great little setup going on. You have your Boints currency, which equals about 64 cents worth of real-life money, but then you have your bonus cash area, everyone. And yes, you are seeing right, that does say $46. The only problem is, you need to unlock 4 of the game tasks to be able to actually withdraw that money. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do you complete the 4 game offers? Well, you see this area here? Do you see how it says play game 6 for 60 minutes and get $2? And you'll notice that I've actually played through the whole task except for this bottom one. And that's because at the moment, Boints' bonus cash system is completely bugged out and glitched, and it has been confirmed by support to me. So pretty much one of these games is game 6, and the one that I have to play for 60 minutes straight. But I don't know which one it is, so now I'm kind of stuck, because I'm not going to spend 10 hours trying to figure out what game is what. So while Boints is a fun way to play games and earn some cash, and they have a pretty solid offer wall section where you can play various games and complete various tasks such as signing up for applications or products, they have a broken bonus cash section. Keep in mind, you need to do that 4 separate times if I'm correct to ever unlock the bonus cash area. But while it's bugged out, you're going to have an extremely hard time ever figuring out how to do that. So for now, my $46 worth of money is locked away. The only redeeming thing about Boints at the moment is that you can cash out at any time with no minimum. And it generally takes about 1 to 2 days to hit your PayPal account in my own experience. But I thought I'd give you guys an update on what I'm battling right now on Boints. Next up, we have Money Cash, play games and earn. So this is an application a lot of people are using for their cashback rewards. Now, the whole goal is that you play games, get rewarded coins, and then you can cash out whatever gift card they have available in your country. Here in Australia, this is what Money Cash looks like. You can see at the top of the screen, I have 29,000 of the coins, and apparently my next cash out is for $20. Money Cash is stating that I can install TikTok and 448 coins per minute. Interesting enough, there's only one application available for me now. Now, while it states that 448 coins per minute, let's see how much I'll actually get when I install TikTok. So now that I have TikTok installed, let's find out what Money Cash has recorded. I want to use it for a while and come back in a second. So this is what the playtime area looks like on Money Cash. You can see here that TikTok is listed now, and for 5 minutes of the app being open on my mobile phone, I only generated 220 of the coins. That's a problem with Money Cash in my opinion. The way they're actually labeling their reward system is not accurate at all. Essentially though, if I play for another 5 minutes, I'll get 140 coins. So Money Cash has definitely changed a bit since I first reviewed it. Now the main reason why I feel people still use Money Cash is if you look at Raid Shadow Legends offer, you can see all these different new bonus challenges which were not there in the past. And looking at the cash out options here, you can see that if I was able to generate 40,000 of the coins, I could earn $20 worth of Amazon. Or if I was to generate 80,000 of the coins, I could cash out a $20 PayPal gift card. That means if I was to open Raid Shadow Legends, reach Durham's Forest, open 10 Ancient Shards, achieve level 20 and 35, I would be rewarded separate coins for each of those challenges. So it's kind of like a multitask system. You don't necessarily have to complete all of them to achieve the reward. You can go bit by bit and get partially rewarded. But this offer here is the main reason why people like Money Cash, and that's because of the free cashback offers. Let's just say you purchase 3 items within Raid Shadow Legends. Money Cash is promising you $10 for free cashback. So technically, even if you spent $3 or $4, you'd get $10 back. But if you're to complete all the playtime offers for Raid Shadow Legends, you can see here, we'd almost get about 70,000 coins or so, which would essentially be almost $50 worth of currency just from one game. Either way though, Money Cash definitely needs some more games on their platform. That's all I'm saying. If you're wondering if Money Cash is legitimate, yes it is. It's paid me in the past and I've done a full review on it. They generally pay out instantly as well from my last experience. It's just depending on your country, Money Cash changes so dramatically. The next situation here is with Multipolls Surveys for Cash. Multipolls claims to be the highest paying survey application, and I've been trying to use it to create a review for it, but it really hasn't been going to plan that much. You see, Multipolls, at least here in Australia, has been pretty much disqualifying me non-stop. And the thing is, it does have high paying surveys from what it seems. Like right here, it states that I can get a $2.11 survey for 6 minutes worth of my time. And you'll see here that my balance is currently $2.56. But the thing about Multipolls is that it has a $15 minimum cash out, which makes it quite difficult. For the video's sake, let's see if I can try and get this $2.11 for 6 minutes of my time. Because I know that's the biggest problem with people in surveys is that they take way too long, and sadly a high disqualification rate and screen out rate happens. Alright, so this is hilarious. I got rewarded with $1.48 USD. Isn't it funny, as soon as I start complaining about screen outs or disqualifications, I get accepted in. So there you have it everyone, that's Multipolls right now for me. I'm trying to grind on it to get to that minimum cash out. It's taking quite a long time though, despite what you saw just then. Anyone out there that's taken surveys before knows exactly what I'm talking about. Right now though, I'm on $4.68, which is nice, but still not halfway to that $15 mark. Next, let's talk about AppRocket Make Passive Income. So AppRocket is a tiny new money-making application that allows you to generate some income from playing games. Now, the thing is about AppRocket, it's quite limited. Let's go and check out if it's updated since we last reviewed it. This is what it looks like when you first launch it up. Top of the screen, we have 24,000 of the coins, and it seems like their daily mission area has been updated. So now, if I play this 2048 game for 30 minutes straight, I'll get 3,000 coins. And you do get new missions daily, by the way. So essentially, 3,000 coins guaranteed per day if you play the missions. And generally, they're very short games. Usually it's about 10 minutes per mission from what I've seen. That 30-minute one though is definitely new. But you can see here we have multiple games to choose from on AppRocket. Now it does seem like they have the ads button next to the icons of the games. That's definitely new as well. I'm almost certain the developers watched my video on their application and have changed it a little bit. I would still avoid the special missions area, even though it states you can win all these various coins, because there is no way for you to actually track if it's counting or not. Heading over to the store here, you can see that we have $1 Amazon for 20,000 of the coins, and that goes all the way up to, let's see, $50 worth of Amazon for 1,000,000 coins. There is no PayPal currency still. I still don't know what Zalando is, but it's not there either. So sadly, still no PayPal. AppRocket is legit though, in my own experience. They paid me within about 5 to 7 days of using it. Please hit like if this video helped you. I'll be back tomorrow to talk about more earning apps that I'm currently using. Stay safe out there. See you later.